Welcome to the RV Homestead Texas. It's Monday. It is Memorial Day. Hold on, let me make the bridge crossing. Ha! It is Monday, Memorial Day. And we got a heck of a rainstorm. Kind of on the backside now. But we needed to look at the results of our guttering project. Somebody's dog running through our property. He was over here licking on my barbecue. Interesting. So we've got gutters up. Of course, it's not raining nearly as hard as it was. But you can see we still have a lot of water coming down. Boy, do we need gutters. I'm so glad we did the gutters. No, we don't have a whole lot of water coming this way, which was a big concern that I had. So when we have the driveway rebuilt or finished, we'll have it running that way. There's not much to show you inside, but we'll go inside anyway. Since it is the opening of the week, it's a holiday. We're not going to see anybody working today. Take us a while to remember what switches go. Oh, the power's out. That's right. Oh, that's right. We have no power. Okay. I go back up on the, go back to where it's not quite as cool. Got to go back to editing. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. We have the Jenny running on. We have two generators running. Storm blew in last night and knocked our power out, and they have no, the power company's website does not have an estimated time to re-energize. I'm so glad we have gutters. So I haven't been out here yet this morning. Was over there firing up the generator for the freezer. Everything appears to be in order. No point in going inside. It's dark and I don't have a light, and nothing's changed since yesterday. I hope y'all had a great Memorial Day. Okay. I'll be back when I have more to talk about. The trim carpenter is back to put in all of our little fixtures, doorknobs, door pulls, and start the trim out in the master, and to start the trim out in the kitchen living vaulted ceiling. We'll check back in with them later. There's the trim stuff. All right, we'll check back in later. Wednesday morning has arrived. Hold on. I got to put some of my stuff away. Too many video projects going. Let's check on the progress. We had the trim carpenter here working yesterday, and we have lots of appliances installed. Should be finishing up that today. And we've got the beam boxed. Power's back on, so we can, I guess we need to go through the utility room first to put all of our cabinet tools on, doorknobs, we can hang clothes now. We should be seeing, hopefully, we're gonna have the electrician back today, hopefully, to finish I don't know why I'm walking around with a light. I keep forgetting. We now have light, except in the living. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. Man, it poured. So glad we have gutters. They almost got stuck in where the road ends. All right. Thursday. We been busy around here. Check it out. The outdoor shower's in place. The plumber was here working yesterday. We have the quick disconnect for propane. Oh, wait till you see this. We gotta have light. We don't yet have light in the kitchen. So we have faucet installed. Bada bing, bada boom. I don't know why I said that, it just sounded good. We've got the exhaust fan installed, cabinet dressed out, although Yappy doesn't seem to care too much for that piece up there. They finished trim out on, almost finished the trim out on the beam. And the trim around the roof, or around our old metal ceiling. Got a couple places to deal with. Right up there where you can see the white, but they're going to take care of that. Got to remember what button goes where. Dryer vent was installed. We can hang clothes in our closets. That's an important thing. Oh, that wasn't what I told them I wanted. But we talked about it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna get it right. Our bathroom sinks. You remember, I mentioned something about that. The plumber was complaining about that yesterday. Yeah, I said, yes, I pointed that out. A long time ago. We fixed the hole. Because originally the electrician put the light in the center of the room. And when you walked in, it was like one light here. And he was asking me where to put that. And I said, well, that needs to go right over the window, center. Because that's the center of our focal point when we're walking in. Not the center of the room. It was weird having that light there. So anyway, he fixed it. Wait till you see what we're gonna do with the shower. It's gonna be cool. There's nothing in that front room, nothing new up there. Oh, we do have something new back here. We have the deep sink for washing your hands and your dishes. Get your dishes clean when they're dirty. We have 2 toilets sitting over there to go in. HVAC is supposed to be here today. Hopefully they are. All right. I'll touch base later. Man, you're making a lot of noise.
Huh?
I said, man, you're making a lot of noise.
Oh, yeah.
Good Friday morning to you. Had a cold front blow through, brought us some more rain. I'm so glad I have gutters now. It's been a busy week here at the RV Homestead Texas. So the plumber was here yesterday again, because we got our outside shower. I showed you the propane quick connect for outside. Let's see what else. What else did we get done yesterday? Or they get done? I say we. All I did was nod my head. Be great when we have lots of light in here. But mostly we had one of the trim carpenter guys working on addressing the bleed through from the wall behind the trim where it meets the metal ceiling. Most of that taken care of. Working on the little details. We have the return air. HVAC crew was here dropping off equipment yesterday. And they said they'll be back Tuesday. We got things happening here. That'll be the day. Toilets in place. And then we have what's that guy's name? The prime pooping position. With a view. We're so excited. All we need now is a toilet. I mean a septic to connect to our toilet. And a soft close wood toilet seat. And this one gives you a view out that way. So if you hear a car, you can look out and look out and see who's here. And not much happened in here. That room is pretty well done except for floors. We have one more round of floor stuff. Oh, the door locks. Locks and latches on all doors now. So they swapped out all of our HVAC stuff. Yeah. Okay, I think we are fully updated. We'll check back in either this afternoon late or probably tomorrow morning. I gotta go. I got lots of video stuff to do. The Amazon boxes just keep showing up. I'm running out of space. Saturday morning. Sun is up. Grass is all still wet. Growing like crazy. Let's go see what has been accomplished this week. We've made some pretty decent progress. So the plumber still has to finish up the outside hydrants. We do have our clean out there. We are connected to the RV pad, but we don't have a septic. Our dryer vent, outside shower. And I showed you the propane quick connect. And I realized I didn't give you a very good shot of the ceiling while it was in progress, but it is 90% done. Yappy's not a fan of that. I don't know what else we could do there, but I think it looks good. Me personally, we're still waiting on the electrician. He's ordered some different lights. This one was put in just for us to look at, and we didn't care for that. So we made another choice. I think I mentioned yesterday, I won't know until I start to get into the editing, but I think I mentioned one of the painters spent a lot of time painting the actual sheetrock white or black, where the gray was showing, where the corrugated metal goes up and down. He painted all of that by hand so that it doesn't look, it's not bleeding through. Turn on the hall light. I keep doing that. Hall light is first. Gotta remember that. And then in here, I didn't even catch that yesterday. We got our pocket door pulls. And they actually latch. So if you push it all the way back, you got the little lever to pull out. And then for privacy, whoop. Then you have privacy. So that way, if you're in the toilet and you don't want to be interrupted, you can just close and latch. We made some progress on the shower. Of course, we finished that. That's done. Visited with the HVAC guy. I think I already mentioned this. They'll be back next week. We need bulbs. Okay. I think that pretty well covers all of it. We still have big piles of stuff. Lots of trash to be removed. Got a cool Friday's Finds I'm working on. That'll be a Friday's Finds pop-up. So we're done for this week. We will not see anybody until Monday, and then hopefully Monday we'll have another burst of lots of cool stuff happening. I sure appreciate you staying with me as long as you have here at the homestead. Thanks for stopping by. I know your time's valuable, and I appreciate you spending time watching my creations. If you've not already, I would be most honored if you'd consider clicking on that subscribe button. And for those of you who have been following along, thank you. I truly appreciate your time and your attention. It really helps. So thank you for that support. And for our patrons, your generosity is most appreciated. Thank you. You guys rock. All right, I'll see y'all next Saturday.